Hi crew, I'm so excited to be telling you about my new detox. Now, this is a 28-day program and it's been sitting in my resources like forever. Because I've had some weighty issues myself, I don't mind telling you that in the last 6 months, since I got back from Larapinta, I've put on 6 kilos. Okay, I've been overeating, I've been under-exercising, I've had some plantar fasciitis, some shoulder issues. I haven't been able to exercise as I normally would. 6 kilos, 1 a month. So I got to Christmas, overate, overdrank, don't we all, blah, blah, blah. But I just thought I need to switch things up, I need to reset, I need to change. So I had a look through my resources and it's like, oh yeah, look, the Real Detox. Okay, recipes, a plan, an actual plan for all your meals, and you can switch them around. You know, it's not set in concrete, and you can have a night off. But you know what? I don't want a night off. I don't want fish and chips because I feel freaking amazing after just 6 days. So I'm not even a week into it yet, and it's a 4-week program. I can't wait to see how I'm going to feel at the end of this. Even my hubby on fish and chip night, I said, oh, I'm doing this detox thing. And he said, what are you having? And I said, like it was a banana curry or something. He looked at it and he went, oh, that looks yummy. Can I have that too? So the kids got fish and chips. We had curry. Everybody's happy. We had like a prawn salad last night. It was just delicious. So anyway, that's going to hit the market in another week or two. I'm just going to make sure it's perfect and ready to go for you. But one of the things about this detox and the meal plan, I thought the meal plan was structure and I didn't like that. But it's actually made me feel really organized in my life and in control. And I'm really looking forward to eating my food and prepping my food and making sure I've got the food in the cupboard because that's so important. And I'm doing so well. So if that's of interest to you, a 28-day detox with regular food, very delicious. Yeah, put an emoji in the comments, you know, a piece of fruit, sexy piece of fruit, or a thumbs up or a love heart or something, and you'll get a little discount when I put it on the market. All right, happy days.